Okay, we have this point on the terminal side of an angle. So I'll do a quick sketch of this. So root 5 negative 4, something like this. Okay, in other words, if that's, say, root 5 and this is, let's say, negative 4. Okay, so it looks like it's in quadrant 4. Right, the exact value of the 6 trig functions associated with the angle. Right, okay, so let's first of all realize that we have this. Okay, the hypotenuse is the square root of negative 4 squared plus root 5 squared. Okay, so that's going to give me 16 plus 5. The hypotenuse is the square root of 21. Okay, now I should have mentioned that this, call it x, this, call it y. Okay, so once we've got that, now here we go. The sine of an angle is y over r. In other words, it's the opposite over the hypotenuse. The opposite over the hypotenuse. So we have this. We have the y, which is negative 4, and we have root 21 for r. Okay, so that is sine theta. Okay, so cosine theta, which is x over r, okay, that's going to be root 5 over root 21. Okay, so I've got that for sine theta and that for cosine theta. And you don't have to worry about rationalizing the denominator for this. Okay, so I'm going to get some space up here. Okay, so if that sine theta, don't forget, therefore cosecant theta is just going to be root 21 over 4. That's negative, of course. Okay, and secant theta is just going to be root 21 over root 5. Okay, so notice quadrant 4 is where cosines are positive. Okay, by the way, so I should have written, yeah, that's minus up there. Okay, so cosine and the secant are positive. Now tangent is just y over x. So that's actually right in here anyway. That's just negative 4 over root 5. So cotangent is going to be root 5 over negative 4. Okay, so there you go. Those are the 6 trig functions based on that root 5 negative 4. Okay, let's move on. Right, an angle of negative 15 pi over 4. Convert to degrees. That is 675, I believe. Now, what's happening here is this. Okay, it is actually just short of, this is just short of negative 16 pi over 4, which is twice around its 2 circles. So I'm going in negative direction. So again, okay, there's 360 degrees, or 2 pi, or negative, I should say. Again, not quite right. That is like saying that. Okay, so this is negative 15 pi over 4, or negative 675 degrees. Okay, so the reference angle, can you see this here? Okay, the reference angle, there you go. That is going to be 45 degrees, or pi over 4. Okay. Now, a positive coterminal angle, well, you've already got an answer right there, really. That's a positive coterminal angle, okay? Because we've gone, let's have it, well, 720 degrees, or you can do it like this. Positive coterminal angle. Okay, so right now we're starting at 1715 pi over 4. Okay. Now, if I add 360 degrees, okay, in other words, if I add 8 pi over 4, remember this is 2 pi, that's 360 degrees, okay? That'll get me to negative 7 pi over 4. Well, actually, that right there is a negative coterminal angle, okay? If I add another circle, another 8 pi over 4, can you see that'll get me to the pi over 4, or 45 degrees that I've already got there. So that would be a positive, just like this would be a negative coterminal angle.